Hey y'all, sometimes I get questions as to how to use blocks correctly using our block mat that comes with our Read It kit. So I'm just going to do a little brief demonstration for you. First of all, you have your handy dandy blocks that you received from the Read It program. And you are going to want to tell your students to put blocks on their block mat on the dispenser part of it, so this part right here, in the order that you tell them. It doesn't matter what order, but you decide, and then the entire class puts them in the same order. So I have mine going blue, green, red, yellow, and then white or cream color. And then I need an extra, so one of each of these same colors on this side, so that if I have a word that has two of the same sound, I can use two of the same color. So then I'm going to simply say to my students, go ahead and put, and then you're going to follow those chains that are in your block packet, which if you have the teacher's guide, it is tabbed for you underneath block packet. Otherwise, digitally, if you have it digitally, it is under the lesson materials icon and it says block packet. So you'll follow the chains as directed in your lesson plans. So for example, if my chain says, go ahead and make the word fought, ought, my students are going to choose from the bottom and they're going to line them up right on this thing called the tracking line. If you're not sure where your block mat is, it's in the resource section of your curriculum, whether that's digital or in your actual resource section in your hands-on guide. There is a resource table of contents that's in alphabetical order, so just look for block mat and it'll take you to your block mat. I have mine in a plastic sheet protector so that I can have my students use it over and over again. So I have here, I'm going to move these extra ones out of the way so that you can see what I'm doing here. But so my students have put down ought. At a glance, I can see that everybody has white, yellow, red. Now I ask my students to change fought to bought. So remember our block jobs. We do fought to bought, and we tap it out. Ought to ought. I'm going to get rid of my and change it to a b. And again, we always go from top to bottom, so when I take a block from here, I put it at the top and then remove from the bottom. And so then everyone in my class will have this exact same order. They will have green, yellow, and red. So again, now I want to go from bought to ball. So then I do again, bought to ball, b-ought to b-all, and then I take I'm changing my t to an and again, I drop down here. Now, if I want to make this lull, so I'm going to go from fall to lull, then I would do it, this is where these extras would come in handy, because I would do fall to lull, all, to all. This is where color matters. I have to show that my first and my last have the same color because I'm using the same sound. So I hope this helps. Please email me at stephanie.spahn@stemfuse.com, or you can call me anytime you want to find out more. Hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.